Hello everyone, my name is Harish Kumar and today I am presenting my project on adaptive study planner with Mamlibit, introducing multi-agent system. I'm a CSE undergrad BIT Durg. Why I needed this? Student often fail to create an effective and realistic view, and static timetables are always fail. So student also forget to revise and can't track with peak topics. My system fixed that with continuous monitoring. My goal was simple: build an adaptive planner plus use agent and memory to personalize learning to give a dynamic study adaptive planner. Why agent? Since agents act like a team, one plans and one chooses, one evaluates and one adapts, making the system smarter every session. The architecture is that there are multi-agents. First, the one agent is called the planner agent. The second one is called the QS agent, and the third one is called evaluation agent. Fourth one is adaptation agent, and fifth one is study orchestrator agent. Each agent have their different task and different role. This workflow will provide better explanation for that. Since it's a Kaggle-based notebook program, this all are offline. Now I also add events, logs, performance charts to show how learning improves over time. Let's deep dive to our project demo. This is my project, which I work on Kaggle notebook, which is a simulated offline runtime execution program, not in cloud-based deployment. This cell import all the core libraries. Let's run it for a second. Two, where I drop my sample study topics. Each one has a difficulty and weight, which helps the agent decide what's more important and what's needed extra focus. Let's run this cell. Here we go with the table chart. This cell is a setup of a simple logger to keep an eye on everything happening inside the agent. So run this cell. Like, log initialized. We got the message. Goes to second cell. This creates a memory session match. Okay, that remember everything what happened in every study session. Let's run this cell. Okay, it's already executed. Move to the memory bank part. This part is the brain of the system. It remember how well I perform on every topic. Let's run this cell. Okay, it's executed. So moving on to the cell 6, it contains two local search and the code execution. Cell, okay, so the cell 7. This part creates a fake LLM, a tiny rule-based model, and also I set up a base agent class, which is like the parent template for all the agents in the system. So run this cell 8. This is my planner agent, which is you can call it as a person who is doing all the planning. This cell going to the cell 9. This person, or you can say this agent, will provide you with the quotient, creates quotient for every day. Cell 10. This evaluation agent, or you can call that it's a teacher who give you evaluation. And this agent, this agent will provide you a study planner base. Weak topics get added more often, and strong topics appear less. Moving to cell 12, study orchestra, just a name. Focus on here their role. It will connect all the agents and run the full workflow. Run this cell and it's executed. Cell 13. It's a runtime demo scenario. The orchestrator starts running, planning, creates a new session. All the output you can see gets in a Tableau version. This is the fun part as I'm running the whole system now. Moving to cell 14, it shows the memory event. Here I'm printing the memory event, show how well I perform each topic and accuracy the system learned from my answer. Here. Topic ID, corrected time, total time, some note, accuracy, easy good performance. Based on your performance, it provided you an output is good, weak, and below average, something like that. These logs shows what happened behind the scene, every action from every agent. Then the cell, you can see the 15 logs, including 0, that's why it's 14. You can see every agent's working. Cell 16, plot of accuracy. This is an option part since it shows a graph. Here. Each graph is based on my difficulty and weightage, and that's all. The conclusion is that building an adaptive system provide dynamic uses for the user or wireless matter. The system learns from user behavior, plans and adjust automatically. Dynamically. Final note is this is a demo part. It's a blueprint for building real autonomous learning units. The technology which I have used on my demo part was the post using Python, Pandas for data handling, memory state memory station service, memory bank for long term, all kinds of adaptive. ADK, this was my ADK Python. Mostly I've used ADK Python and ADK docs. Final note is for all the authors and all the members.